the subject, I'm still a threat. And that shit sound dry, but I make these bars wet. And yes, go ahead and guess what the message is. Used to be a kid, now it's time to make dividends. While my homies sipping shit, and we sparking up a split. Take a fucking ribbon, you might just see what we see. A newfound glory to my fantasy. So why can't you see? I'm really living a dream, when the dream is the realest thing I've ever seen. So just watch my eyes beam, laser target everything. I'm remarkable at remembering nonchalant things. And that beats, I'll be chopping them up with my diamond shovel. Soon I see my face smiling on that magazine cover with the inside scoop on dealing with crazy brothers. See me shining with my confidence. I'm balling out of control, stay out of my conference. We got the crew mapped out, let's start conquering. Sick of being pushed over from being honest, man. If a slap to the back of the dome is all I get, then it's best we forget everything that we said so far. Making amends, I'm not doing that shit again. I'm on my own, so forget about ever calling my phone. Cause nobody was there when I was all alone. But that just made me smarter, so I worked a bit harder with the flames I'm spitting. Something like a fire started to get in front of us, man. I wouldn't even bother, I ain't trying to get your digits. If I do, I won't call ya. So go and do your thing, I ain't really trying to stall you. In the presence of greatness, you copy that Roger. In the car, contemplating what it is about ganja. See, every single day I hope the truth is upon us. But every single day I'm seeing nothing but goblins. And I keep walking away with nothing to offer them. They trying to see my face and say it's brain, yeah, offer this. And put me in the cubicle frame up in the offices. I try to keep the shit here moving, maybe the malls and shit. If my time is running out, I won't catch a single that. That's why you hear me screaming from this cloud. And I'ma definitely hold it down, and maybe dreams do come around. So put me on the map and down these other whack cats I clown. Hey, it's all about collecting dough. I'm doing that and I still don't know which way to go. I went and follow my heart. Maybe I'll find some gold, but in my time I'm trying to be patient, but I stay devastating, constantly on Mary Jane's medication while I'm planning the beat, slaying with premeditation. You at the bottom of the barrel, I see you scraping, spitting lyrics I said yesterday, 3 years ago. Switching flow so fast, wonder where the last one go, cause the ball was spitting go longer than 24, like you got lost in one of the many metaphors. And if you hit and go out through the antidote.